These are just some of the parts that I didn't particularly care for that the manufacturers sell you. Was a spring chain tensioner. I had gotten 2 of them, and I don't really know how I got 2 of them, but I noticed with the one when I put it on there, it was, you tighten it up enough where it's not floppy, then it's stiff, and I didn't particularly care for it. So I had 2 of them. I had 2 of the arms, so I'm here bending and offset, so I can use both arms. And then I had some 3/8 by 1/4 inch flange oil light bushings. I kind of messed up the first time because I didn't have the offset far enough back, and I had to flatten it back out and rebend it again to get a longer offset or a longer slot, so to speak. But once I did that, I got the oil light bushing in there. It works really well. It doesn't wobble from side to side. It stays stiff, not stiff, but it stays rigid, and it just works a whole lot better. I really did not like how they had that thing set up. It just was metal on metal. It's going to wear, and I know the parts are not that expensive, but they could have done, manufacturers can do better on this. And compared to some of the other ones I've seen out there, I did like this style the best. That's the reason I went with it. But I just tried to improve it a little bit, that's all. And pretty much that's it. The bike ride's wonderful. I am going to change the back sprocket to a 44. I am taking the 36 off. Just to give it a little bit more torque and what have you, and probably save my clutch pulling my fat butt around all over the place. But I did have a good ride on it today, and it is very enjoyable. I just didn't like this part, and I figured I could make it better. But this video coming up will show you exactly what I did, or what it looks like after I done what I did. And thank you all very much for watching and subscribing. This is just some of the parts that I personally didn't care for, and that's the chain tensioner right there. I took 2 of them. That's what this video is about. A lot of these parts are, and then I added an oil light bushing in there. So there's a lot of up and down on this thing, and it's still in the testing. This whole bike's still in testing anyhow, but I'm going to change this to a 44, get rid of the 36. It's a little too much. Not going to touch the engine. Gentleman said that the engine sounds good on one of the comments, so I am not touching it. And other than that, that's it. Please hit like and subscribe. Just give you an idea on how I did that. And it's actually a lot stiffer, and it doesn't roll to the side or any of that. It stays more centered up. So that's it, guys. Yeah, I'll have a good day.